Hi guys! So today I am going to be showing you guys what a Airbnb in Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland looks like. Honestly, I already did a little mini tour and it's absolutely spectacular. This is at the end of like the last setup, I guess, Airbnbs and buildings and stuff in this area. I will link the area in the description box, but let's get to it. So first things first, you come in, there's shoes and stuff. You leave your shoes by the door. Over here, where do we start? Let's start in the washroom. So this is the washroom, toilet, cups, sink. We have a washer and a dryer. We got a beautiful shower. If you wanna, the door opens, you can come on this side. Beautiful, beautiful shower.
Heated floors.
Oh, and also guys, the floors are freaking heated, okay? Because it's pretty cold here now, but the floors are heated, which is a plus. If you go over here, we have a beautiful, large, comfy couch for Colin. When he decides to piss me off, he's going on the couch, but I mean, the couch is
And
great.
that's a picture of the view here.
Ooh, that is a picture. Oh my goodness. That's a picture of the view, and I'm going to assume those are probably other parts on the island. Is it called an island?
No.
I don't know. If you guys look up top, you can see the sky. It is absolutely epic. Over here, we have fans. I'm guessing that's for the summer. Lights. Over here, this is our little relaxed zone. We have a TV here with, what's that, cabinet thing? Over here we have, I think, storage areas. Yep, there's a lot of storage stuff in here. Lounge chairs, tables, and huge TV. That's actually an epic TV. And guys, for me, this is one of the best things ever. I love wooden, like, interiors. So that's perfect. I wish. Oh.
Nope. Turn it to the right.
To the right.
And then down.
And
then open it and pull it. Put it in the middle. There you go. Now pull.
Oh, so I guess if you do it to the top, it just opens the top. Cool. So this is actually my first time outside. Gorgeous. We are on the 3rd floor, which is the top floor. Look at this view, guys. Okay, back to me. We have lounge chairs, smoking ashtray if you're a smoker. Over here, another lounge chair. This one, babe. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we go to the kitchen area. This place is huge. Watch your step. They welcomed us with some, I'm going to get Swiss chocolate and some red wine, which is, it's full. It felt super light. Here, I don't really think we need to get in here, but washers and stuff. Beautiful microwave. Ooh, that's cool. I've never seen one that opens at the top before. So, just dishes, seasoning. This place is clean. How much was this? 200 a night? This is 200 a night, so 100 each. This is epic. Ooh, beautiful fridge. We actually just came from Kumar, so we got some groceries, which we're going to put here. Obviously, stove stuff, coffee stuff, and that's that. Now I'm going to take you guys, what's in here? So this area is just more storage, cleaning supplies and stuff, but welcome to the bedroom here. Closet, lots and lots of space. Bed. This bed is interesting because it has 2 mattresses put together. I guess that's the Swiss way, I'm not sure. Here, more storage. beautiful corner to lounge. We put our stuff over there. And in this room, my hubby was in there a little bit ago. It's what's in there? Storage and ironing board, stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically what everything looks like, guys. This place is a 11 out of 10. Would recommend. Inexpensive as well. As I said, it's only 200 a night, which for this, in this location and this view, if you don't mind, can you show them this waterfalls? So from the kitchen, you guys, look at that. The falls is on the other side. From the kitchen. But yeah, that's that. Beautiful, love it. We're going to actually go explore now, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We're going to have an awesome time here. Thanks for watching this room tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see future travel videos.